Wow.
This one is mad.
So I've spent just a few minutes on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and the very first thing that I like about the device is the ergonomics of it. I like how it sits in my hand. I like the design.
I'm putting it on. I can, right? I feel like this fits my hand really well. So sleek. I really like it.
It's really sleek and easy to hold.
It's very sleek. I like the shape. I like the shape of the speakers, shape of the cameras.
Like, just so handy.
It's actually not heavy, and I love the color, black. It has this nice feel and nice black to it.
First thing, as a lady, I know what I want to check. The camera. Oh wow, this is so sharp. Ooh, look at those pictures. Ooh.
Hi, my name is Onye. Oh, this is so clear. Gosh, so smooth. My skin feels like milk.
I like the video quality a lot. My skincare is paying off. One thing I want to do is like motion, blurry picture. This is nice. I like this one.
Is it the lighting, or is this camera actually making me look fair or something?
Ooh, crisp. Very, very crisp. Okay, you can like lock focus and then reduce brightness on that particular subject. One person mode and multiple. That's nice.
Relatively, I think it's going to be a very good phone for entrepreneurs and what else, because I like the space and the camera is actually fine for girls like me that like to take pictures. I do like the camera, I do like the look of the phone, the model itself, and I'm a big Samsung fan. Like, I'd rather do Samsung than iPhone, no hits, but I'd rather do Samsung than iPhone any day.
I love the matte finishing. Although I can see my fingerprints and all over it.
There's this smoothness when you're like scrolling, and I don't know what to call that, or I don't know what it is. But I like the graphics. Like when you swipe, it's just smooth. Like I like the sound.
My first impression for the S22, I love it, it's cool. It's not so much, but I love it.
At first use, I love the display. The display is ish, and I love the build as well. It is very, very classy. Maybe not as loud as I'd have expected it to be, but every other thing just is quite impressive. And a few of the new additions with the OS, of course, are nice.
The sound is clear, but there's not enough bass for me. I like the general look, the interface, but I think I'll still go for my iPhone over this any day.
Dope. I like. How much is it? Don't know. I'll get it if I can. Never really liked Android phones, but this feels.
I don't mind being gifted this phone, like you.
Hopefully, I'll collect it for free after doing this video.
Okay. Well, I think that's it.